I just got a simple.
Okay.
You know, it's nothing more or less to it. Just simple, nice play on colors.
Yeah.
So Nike realized all of the hype that went along with the Tiffany Air Force Ones and decided to come out with a Tiffany version in the Air Max. Now,
That's what they calling it?
no,
Okay.
they won't call it Tiffany
Because it's not quite the same exact
not.
thing. Right.
So it's called Jade. Clear Jade is the color. But we know what they're trying to do.
These are women's?
No, these are
Okay.
men's. Yeah.
There's a nice leather on those.
Yeah.
Like these seem a little bit more premium than usual, or no? This is regular leather right here.
Just a regular leather.
Okay.
Yep.
That's interesting that they went with the same color coming up on the bottom of the rubber in the front right there. Yeah, and I dig it. I ain't mad at that.
Yeah.
I see what they did there. Like I would have thought that would have been like maybe. I don't know. That's interesting though.
Yeah.
This is a wild color,
Yeah.
right? This is
Yeah.
a wild color. Like this is not a common color, I think, that I've seen on sneakers for real.
Nah, and that's why I said that's why I was saying I mentioned the Tiffany Air Force One because so many things came out to match that color-wise.
Oh, yeah.
Right? So you can jump on those things that were made to match those
For these.
for these.
Yep.
Now I will say I had an idea to grab another pair to play around because I want this base, but my plan, not my plan. One of the ideas I'm kicking around is getting another pair of these strictly to dye the rest of it and get them customized and use this as the base here, but play around with the other.
Like the
parts
suede
of it.
components
Yeah.
and
The
mesh.
all of that. Yeah. Because I think this is a really dope base color.
Yeah, it is. It's crazy.
To catapult some other colors on top around. So I've been toying around playing with a pair for to have them customized. And my fam out in Arizona, he's an incredible artist. He started customizing sneakers too.
Okay.
So I think he and I are gonna collab on one or two joints.
Nice. Yeah, these been sitting in the box. You ain't even got the shoestrings.
Yeah, man.
The shoes are the strings
Put
is
them
on
on the string yet,
Those that's a burglary. That's a breaking and entering type of shoestring job. You know what I'm saying? When your shit's is tied up that tight,
That's the B&E. That's the B&E lacing.
that's a B&E lacer right there, son. That's not a B&E colorway, but
Those are B&E lacing,
that lace
man.
right there, man. You coming away, you going home with something.
Tuck those elbows in.
Look at this shit. This shit is crazy. I almost don't even feel like a pair of your sneakers. I'm like, what's going on here?
Normally, I would have at least pulled them.
Yeah, it's like
got
this
one
is
joint
like.
ready to go.
You know what I'm saying? That's when you at the store. They're like, you got the dude that working for like that trying to be cool. He do a little, you know what I'm saying? Look.
Check, which for the record, I worked at a number of sneaker stores when I was young.
Oh man,
doing all of this. What are you looking at? Just, come on, what are we talking about?
It's like, and it's the what's the guys that the resellers and stuff. When you're like, yo, I want to sell these joints. They're like,
what are you doing?
it's fake.
Right, you don't know nothing.
And they hit you with the bouncer shit to the spot. Who that? Yo, this is a good colorway though, man. It's dope. That's a wild color.
These, man.
That's a wild color right there.
Yeah.
That's dope. All right, cool, man.